Imagine replacing your 9-to-5 income without working a second job. Sounds crazy, right? But two powerful ETFs, SCHD and JEPQ, could help you do just that. These aren't your average funds. Think of them as the dream team for passive income and wealth building. SCHD is a steady, growing dividend. JEPQ is like a high monthly income. When you combine them, you might just create an income stream that competes with your full-time salary. Today, we're cutting through the fluff. No jargon, no boring theories. We'll break down how these ETFs work, the real income potential, how to start investing today. So, can SCHD plus JEPQ really fund your lifestyle? Let's find out. Let's meet our two financial MVPs. Number 1, SCHD, the reliable workhorse. Holds dividend-paying giants like PepsiCo, Verizon, and Merck. Low expense ratio, 0.06%. That means more money in your pocket. Dividend yield tilde 3.5% and 175% growth over the last decade. Number 2, JEPQ, the income powerhouse. Uses a covered call strategy for high monthly payouts. Invests in tech leaders like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. Dividend yield around 10%. That means big monthly income. Why combine them? SCHD is give us stability and growth. JEPQ is make the cash flow. Together, they balance risk while maximizing passive income. But just how much money could you actually make? Let's crunch the numbers. Okay, let's run the math. Say you invest $500,000, split evenly. $250,000 in SCHD, 3.5% yield, generate $8,750 per year. That means $729 per month. $250,000 in JEPQ, 10% yield, generate $25,000 per year. That means $2,083 per month. Total annual income is $33,750. Total monthly income is $2,812. That's without touching your investment. To put that in perspective, the median post-tax salary in the US is around $40,000 a year. So with the right setup, this could replace your paycheck. SCHD isn't just about dividends, it's a growth machine. Over the past 10 years, it's grown over 175%. Reinvesting dividends into SCHD means your money compounds over time. Imagine collecting passive income and watching your portfolio grow. Even JEPQ, while focused on income, invests in top tech companies, giving you exposure to long-term gains. The key strategy? Reinvest a portion of your dividends to boost future payouts. No investment is risk-free, but SCHD plus JEPQ work well together to smooth out volatility. SCHD holds financially strong dividend companies, equal sign stability. JEPQ's covered call strategy generates income even in downturns. By blending them, you get a balanced, diversified portfolio that weathers market fluctuations better than relying on one ETF alone. Can this replace your 9-to-5? It depends. To replace a $40,000 salary, you'd need $600,000, $800,000 invested in these ETFs. Not there yet? Even $250,000 could bring in $1,400 plus per month, covering rent, groceries, or travel. Actionable tip: start with what you can and scale up over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Ready to start? Here's what to do. Step 1. Open an account on a platform like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Step 2. Allocate funds. Start with whatever you can afford. Step 3. Set up automatic contributions to SCHD and JEPQ. Step 4. Reinvest dividends for faster growth. Step 5. Stay consistent and think long-term. If you're tired of trading time for money, this strategy could be your ticket to financial freedom. What do you think? Would you invest in SCHD and JEPQ? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to see it. More investing strategies coming soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.